Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Only English Conversations, where learning English is simple and practical. I am Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. I am Mr. Only, and I am happy to be here today.
I am happy to see you too, Mr. Only. Today we have a very important topic for our listeners.
Oh, really? What is the topic for today, Sarah?
Today we are talking about going to the pharmacy.
That is a great topic. Everyone needs to go to the pharmacy sometimes.
Yes, they do. In English, we also call it a drugstore or a chemist.
I see. So pharmacy, drugstore, and chemist all mean the same place?
Yes, exactly. But in our conversation today, we will use the word pharmacy.
That sounds good. It is a very common word.
Before we start our examples, can you tell me what you usually buy at a pharmacy, Mr. Only?
Well, I buy medicine. Sometimes I buy vitamins or bandages.
Those are perfect examples. Today, we will practice how to ask for help and how to understand the pharmacist.
Can you explain what a pharmacist is, Sarah?
Of course, a pharmacist is the professional person who works at the pharmacy and gives you the medicine.
Oh, I see. The pharmacist is the expert.
Yes. Now, let us practice a simple conversation. I will be the customer, and you can be the pharmacist.
Okay, I am ready. Let us begin our first practice.
Excuse me, hello. I am looking for something for a cold.
Hello, I can help you with that. What are your symptoms?
Symptoms? That is a big word. Can you explain what symptoms means?
Yes, symptoms are the signs of your sickness. For example, do you have a cough or a fever?
Oh, I understand now. My symptoms are a sore throat and a runny nose.
I see. Do you have a headache too?
No, I do not have a headache. I just have a sore throat and a runny nose.
Okay, we have this medicine here. It is very good for a sore throat.
That sounds good. How many times a day should I take it?
You should take it 2 times a day, once in the morning and once at night.
Let me repeat that to be sure. I should take it 2 times a day?
Yes, that is correct. Take 1 pill in the morning and 1 pill at night.
Should I take the medicine with food?
Yes, it is better to take it after you eat a meal.
Thank you, Mr. Only. That was a very clear example.
You are welcome, Sarah. It is important to ask how to take the medicine.
You are right. Let us try another situation. This time, I need a prescription.
What is a prescription, Sarah? Can you explain that word?
A prescription is a special piece of paper from your doctor. It says what medicine you need.
Oh, so for some medicines, you must see a doctor first.
Yes, exactly. You cannot buy them without the doctor's note.
I see. Let us practice that. I will be the pharmacist again.
Hello, I have a prescription from my doctor.
Hello, may I see the prescription, please?
Yes, here it is. Can you fill this for me?
Of course. Please wait for 10 minutes while I prepare your medicine.
10 minutes? That is not a long time. I will wait here.
Your medicine is ready now, Sarah. Here is the bottle.
Thank you. Are there any side effects?
That is a very good question. Side effects are extra things the medicine does to your body.
Like making me feel sleepy?
Yes, exactly. This medicine might make you feel a little bit sleepy.
Oh, I see. So I should not drive a car after I take it.
That is right. You should be careful. Do not drive if you feel tired.
Thank you for the warning. How much does this medicine cost?
The total is $15.
Here is $20.
And here is $5 in change. Have a nice day and feel better soon.
Thank you, Mr. Only. That was very helpful.
Why do you think it is important to ask about side effects, Sarah?
Because we want to be safe. Some medicine makes you dizzy or sleepy.
That is very true. Safety is the most important thing at the pharmacy.
Now, let us practice some other things we buy at the pharmacy. Like what? Pharmacies sell many things these days.
Yes, they sell things for first aid, for example, bandages or cream for a cut.
Oh, like when I cut my finger while cooking.
Exactly. Let us practice asking for those things.
Okay, I will be the customer this time. Sarah, you be the pharmacist.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello, I need some bandages and some antibiotic cream.
I see. Did you hurt yourself?
Yes, I have a small cut on my hand.
We have many types of bandages. Do you want small ones or large ones?
I think a box of mixed sizes is best.
That sounds good. And here is the antibiotic cream. It helps the cut heal faster.
Thank you. Where can I find the aspirin?
The aspirin is in aisle 4, next to the vitamins.
Aisle 4? Can you explain what an aisle is?
An aisle is a row or a path in the store. A-I-S-L-E. The S is silent.
Oh, aisle, like in a grocery store or a plane. Yes, exactly. Aisle 4.
Thank you, Sarah. I will go to aisle 4 to find the aspirin.
You are doing a great job, Mr. Only. Your English is very clear.
Thank you, Sarah. I am trying my best. Learning English is fun.
It really is. Let us talk about vitamins. Many people go to the pharmacy for vitamins.
That is true. I take vitamin C every day.
Why do you take vitamin C?
I take it because I want to stay healthy and not get a cold.
That is a smart idea. Let us practice asking for vitamins.
Excuse me, Sarah. Do you have any vitamin D?
Yes, we do. It is over here. Are you looking for tablets or liquid?
What is the difference between a tablet and a liquid?
A tablet is a hard pill. A liquid is something you drink.
I prefer tablets. They are easier for me to take.
I see. Here is a bottle of 100 tablets.
100 tablets? That will last a long time.
Yes, it will last for more than 3 months if you take one every day.
That sounds good. I will take this bottle, please.
Great. Is there anything else you need today?
Yes, I also need some sunscreen. It is very sunny outside.
Sunscreen is very important to protect your skin. It is in aisle 2.
Aisle 2. I remember that word now. Thank you.
You are welcome. Now, Mr. Only, let us review some of the words we learned.
Okay, we learned the word pharmacy.
And we learned pharmacist, the person who works there.
We learned symptoms, which are the signs of being sick.
We also learned prescription, the note from the doctor.
And side effects, the extra things a medicine might do.
Do not forget aisle, the row in the store.
And tablet and liquid. Those are 2 types of medicine.
Very good. You have a great memory.
Thank you. I think it is helpful to repeat the words many times.
I agree. Let us do one more role play. This time, imagine I am very sick and I cannot find what I need.
Okay, I am the pharmacist. I am here to help you.
Hello, I feel very bad. My head hurts and I have a fever.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that. How long have you felt this way?
I started feeling sick yesterday. I think I have the flu.
I see. Do you have a thermometer to check your temperature?
A thermometer? Can you explain that?
A thermometer is a small tool used to measure how hot your body is.
Oh, I do not have one. I should buy one today.
Yes, that is a good idea. Here is a digital thermometer. It is very easy to use.
Thank you. And what medicine do you suggest for a fever?
You can take this medicine. It is for pain and fever.
Can I take it with my other vitamins?
Usually, yes, but you should always check the label on the back of the box.
The label? Does the label have the instructions?
Yes, the label tells you how much to take and when to take it.
That is very important. I will read the label carefully.
Also, make sure you drink a lot of water and get some rest.
That sounds like good advice. Rest is very important when you are sick.
It really is. I hope you feel better soon, Sarah.
Thank you, Mr. Only. I am glad we practiced this.
Me too. These are real situations that happen to everyone.
Sometimes at the pharmacy, you have to wait in line.
Oh, yes, a line or a queue.
Yes, in the United States, we say line. In the United Kingdom, they say queue.
That is a good detail to know. I will stand in line and wait for my turn.
Exactly. You can say, "Is this the end of the line?"
Is this the end of the line? That is a polite way to ask.
Yes, it is. It is always good to be polite to the other customers.
Sarah, what if I need medicine for a child?
That is a very important question. Medicine for children is different.
Can you explain why?
Children are smaller, so they need a smaller amount of medicine. We call this the dose.
The dose. So a child's dose is smaller than an adult's dose.
Yes, exactly. You must always tell the pharmacist if the medicine is for a child.
I see. And often children's medicine is a liquid that tastes like fruit.
Yes, like cherry or grape, it makes it easier for the children to take it.
That is very smart. My children like the taste of grape medicine.
It is much better than medicine that tastes bitter.
Bitter? What does bitter mean?
Bitter is a sharp, bad taste, like coffee without sugar, or some types of lemon peel.
Oh, I understand. Most medicine tastes bitter, so the fruit flavor helps.
Exactly. You are learning so many new words today, Mr. Only.
I am. This conversation is very helpful.
I am glad. Let us talk about one more thing, insurance.
Oh, insurance can be complicated.
It can, but in a pharmacy, they often ask for your insurance card.
Why do they need my insurance card?
The insurance company helps pay for the medicine, so you pay less money.
Oh, that is very good. So I should always bring my card to the pharmacy.
Yes, you should. The pharmacist will ask, "Do you have your insurance card?"
And I will say, yes, here it is.
Perfect. You are ready to go to any pharmacy now.
I feel much more confident. Thank you for practicing with me, Sarah.
It was my pleasure. Practice is the only way to get better at English.
Why do you think practice is so important?
Because when we speak, we train our brains and our mouths to work together.
I agree. Even if we make mistakes, we're still learning.
Exactly. Never be afraid of mistakes. Everyone makes them.
That is very encouraging. I make mistakes too, but I keep trying.
That is the best attitude to have.
Sarah, do you have any more tips for our listeners when they go to the pharmacy?
Yes, if you do not understand the pharmacist, ask them to speak slowly.
How can I ask that politely?
You can say, "I'm sorry, could you please speak a little slower?"
Could you please speak a little slower? That is very polite.
Or you can say, "Could you please repeat that?"
Could you please repeat that? I will remember those phrases.
Great. Those phrases are useful in any place, not just the pharmacy.
That is true. They are very useful for English learners.
Well, we have covered a lot of information today.
Yes, we talked about medicine, pharmacists, prescriptions, and more.
We also talked about how to take medicine and asking for help in the aisles.
It was a very full lesson. I hope our listeners enjoyed it.
I hope so too. Remember, you can listen to this conversation many times.
Yes, listening many times helps you understand everything.
And you can practice speaking the lines with us.
That is a great idea. You can be Sarah, or you can be Mr. Only.
Thank you for joining me today, Mr. Only.
Thank you, Sarah. It was a lot of fun.
And thank you to all our listeners. We are happy to help you on your English journey.
Keep practicing and keep speaking English every day.
You are doing a great job, so do not give up.
We will be back with another lesson very soon.
Thank you for listening to Only English Conversations.
See you next time.
See you in the next lesson. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.